Hey guys, what's up? It's Donnie, Hunting Hog Simpson. We're back down here at the river, guys. Today, it's Christmas Day, and it's a Merry Fishmas. So I'm gonna go down there and do some Merry Fishmasing, and see if we can get some stripers, guys. I went down to the dam yesterday and got my teeth kicked in. Didn't even get a bite. I was down there for about 3 hours. Lost a ton of baits too, so I had to go by Walmart last night and get some more baits on the way home. But right down there, spilling away. We're gonna walk back here behind this water treatment plant again, and we'll see how we do today. So it's more in bite. Let's see what we got. Let's get down there and throw some lures, guys. I didn't bring no catfish bait or catfish poles, but I'm gonna throw lures. So let's get down there and see what we can get, guys. Got a few hours before I gotta get back home and get to cooking dinner. So got a ham going right now and a slow cooker. But yeah, let's go see what's had down here, guys. See you down there later. Huh? Yeah, I didn't get hardly anything up in there the other day. I got one right off the bank about where you're standing at. There's something. Yep, that's a striper. Yeah, it's a nice one. You got any white baits, man? I throw them. Anything white, they'll nail it. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, they love that color white. Something about white, they'll nail it. All right, guys. First stripey. First stripey. All right, guys, back at today. Merry Fishmas. Merry Fishmas. Stripey on Merry Fishmas. Yep, back down to river day, guys. It's flowing pretty good. Got some company down here, a couple guys fishing next to me, and we're just enjoying Christmas, catching stripers. All right, back, guys. Come here, big boy. Come here. Quit. Quit acting a fool. There we go. Oh yeah, nice one. All right, guys, striper number one for the day. Striper number one on Christmas. Merry Fishmas. Let's get released on this guy, guys. All right, buddy. Yeah, and he's off. He gave me a jump on the way out. Hunting Hog Simpson, guys, back on. Check out the YouTube channel. All right, let's get back after it, guys. We're gonna start the clip. Oh, fuck. What this is. We got carp. Fucking carp. Old fucking blade bait every time. Snagging the old carp. Big old carp dong. Guys, carp dong in the tail, guys. Quit. All right, buddy, I'll let you go. Quit. There you go. Get Get out of here. Hook bending motherfuckers. God damn. You trashed that hook. Yes, he did, guys. Oh yeah, definitely slowed down, didn't they? Look at the size of that goddamn shad. Is that what that is? Big ass shad. Huh. That's like the biggest shad I've ever seen. That's good damn bait there, boy. Oh yeah, big old shad fish. Huh? Oh yeah, he has. That's for sure. That's the biggest shad I think I've ever caught. By far. He'd look real good in a flathead's mouth, wouldn't he? Alright guys. Just caught this big old shad on this blade bait. Eat a monster. Eat a monster. Big old shad. Yeah. Back on them, guys. Later. Yeah, that's crazy. Big old shad. You want him for bait? Sure? Damn. I didn't bring him a fucking basket down, I'd keep his ass. Alright, we'll let him go, guys. Let him go. You're lucky, buddy. Ew, God. They're like boogers, man. It's fucking disgusting. That's a first. I've snagged them before, never caught one in the mouth though. Guys, got another one. Just ran his ass off. Little dude. Hey, little guy. Hey, little dude. Come here. Let me break him a line. Oh yeah. Go curly globber. Got him, guys. Go curly globber. Got a little crappie jig here. Damn, did it get him good too? Got him right in that tongue. There we go. That was tongue. There we go. Little bitty jig, guys. Little curly globber. A little stripey. Another little one. Oh yeah. Wow. Alright guys, another little striper. Got him on a crappie jiggy. Another little stripey. I know Vincent, it's raining his butt off, but I'm still out here. Merry Fishmas, guys. Merry Fishmas. Loose on that dude. There he goes. Alright guys. Back to the old blade for a little bit. What time it is? 10, 12. Yep. I'll get a few more fish here, guys. I might bounce downstream. There's something, guys. There's something. Look at that carp. What is that? Nope, another channy cat in the tail. Repeated yesterday, or the other day when I was here. Caught one in the tail too. Last time I was down here. Oh, kitty cat, what are you doing down there, huh? Just hanging out up in there, aren't you? Hanging out tough, huh? You got a hook in your tail. Mind your own business, and you know, bam. Got a hook in your tail, huh? Probably think, what the hell happened? There you go, buddy. Little kitty cat, guys. Little kitty cat. I'll let him go. Goodbye, guy. Restart the clip. Packing her up. I'm gonna head to a different spot, or maybe I just might call this video. I don't know yet, but I might run downstream to another spot and try it. But there's no stripies here right now. I don't know where they're at, but yep, I'm gonna pack it up and head on down the road. So like always, guys, if you don't see more fish, then I didn't stop at another spot, but we'll see. I'll check it out on the way home, see what it looks like. But yeah, see you on the next one, guys. If you like his content, like always, hit that like and subscribe, guys. Appreciate it. I'll get out of this rain for a little bit and try to find another spot.